Okay, hello YouTubers. We're going to do a little short on Steve's Woodshop and show you the piece of furniture I made for my Chevy Express van. And this fills a need as far as storage of putting lumber. Lumber can fit on top of this or it can fit underneath. It also provides a space to put things. When you're traveling, you want to have lunch, you have a table. And so here I made a top here, solid wood with breadboard ends. So it's made like a piece of furniture. It's a little dirty right now, but it's still good. Uh, the feature of it is that it lifts up. And now it holds itself up. You don't have to hold it yourself because it's got balances on it. And it's got concealed hinges so that nothing is on the outside. And it also provides storage for different various things, and it's very sturdy. It's all mortise and tenon. All the legs are mortise and tenon together, so it's quite sturdy, and it's hardwood, so it holds up pretty well. So it can actually support lumber if you need to, long lumber, if you need to lay it on here or lay it underneath. Usually I do it underneath, but occasionally I do something ends up on here and all the way up to here. And that's the length. Usually you don't have a lot of stuff, but a couple of boards that are extra long. Otherwise, if they're too long, I'll store them on top. So, but occasionally just you got one piece and you don't want to bother to tie it down. So, okay. So, all right, that ends this short. So, we'll see you in the next one at Steve's Woodshop. Don't forget to subscribe and like.